In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can remove stuck software and apps that won't uninstall here on Windows. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you've ever tried to uninstall an app and it gives you an error, or the uninstaller is missing, this method will fully remove it for you. Essentially, go ahead and click on the little search bar down at the very bottom and type in registry editor. Once you do type that in, go ahead and right click on it and then hit run as administrator and then hit yes to open it up. And it's going to look something like this. Once it does open, go ahead and look specifically for the option, and you're going to have to scroll through here a little bit to find it, but it's going to be this H key local machine folder. It might already be opened for you like mine was. When you're in here, open up software, and once you do open up software, scroll down a little bit, and this is alphabetically ordered, which makes it a little bit easier to find. But what you're looking for is going to be this option for WoW 346432 node, and expand this as well. From here, scroll down even more and look for Microsoft, and once you find Microsoft, go ahead and expand it as well. Scroll down even more until you do find Windows on this section. Expand the Windows folder, and then if you scroll down a little bit more, you're going to see an option for uninstall. Go ahead and open it up and then just remove any like random numbers or whatever that's in there. If you don't see this in this option, just open up your normal Windows section and do the exact same thing. If you have an app that you want to remove and you see it in this option, you can also right click on that and then just hit, delete or remove. But after you do that, you can go back to your installed app section by, opening up this and searching up apps, going into your settings, finding the apps option again, installed apps, and you'll see that it's no longer going to be in here, or you'll be able to fully remove it by clicking these lines and then hitting uninstall. If you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.